Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do or how to make filters and labels on Todoist.com. So if you want to make a filter, the first thing that you would do is to go to the filter and labels tab on the left-hand side. Just click on the plus sign on if you want it assigned to you or if you want it to be under your team. So in this case, I'm going to add it to myself. And let's just say all urgent. And I want to put it as the color red. My query, if you're new and you don't know how to put any queries, you can have Todoist.com assist you with making the filters. And filter request could be any request that you want. So urgent for next week, set. So it'll show up the query as for any urgents for the next 7 days, and then you just add the filter. And that's it.